Presenting the Kia 2019 Sportage EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 181 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.